How to change the delivery location of Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change the delivery location of Uber Eats. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber Eats application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. And now, to change the delivery location of Uber Eats, tap on the address section and further tap on the pin-like icon near the location you want to change. Now, tap on the edit address info and further edit the address such as your street name, building number, flat number or floor, etc. Finally, at the end, press the save and continue button. So, this is how you can change the delivery location of Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.